is the biggest and giant celebrations from capital city of Cebu. Because today is ending me, is the standard beauty, feeling guwapa nowadays. Alauna pa, isog ng pag-makeup, nanabangan na lang sang banan, nabalikan na lang ako, pamahuman. That is a uniqueness of beauty among them all. That is what we call the standard beauty of Bansayan Island. Nawa pa'y nakapildi kay lisod pildihon. Kay wag malansang masunok. According to the Article 1, Purok Sak Achues, Purok Barangay Tamiao, resolution to send to 2366, the Department of Agriculture sign of signature that Enting May is the standard beauty of Bantayan Island. My name is Enting May Disability Fresh. Pasaylo ala ko kung ang akong beauty, ang akong skin may changes. May kadalasan sa mga nagamit sa mga pangnus-nus sa mga nahong, Brilliant, Zero, Maxipil, sa nahong giuna. Tanawa sa inigsigas ang adlaw, regna ang nahong. Mauna, I encourage all of you, start sa pinakatiil, saka sa tuhod, hanggang sa lapanapa. Kaluyan, after 15 years, ay nakaditaman. Ito, sayop ang parcel nga na-order. I am Enting May Disability, the standard beauty of Bansayan Island, gawa pa nakapildi, representing CLC Graphics Print Ads.
Ay, sayang! GLC! Nag-CLC!
You know what? Sayop ang imo, hearing comprehension. In our university from Cebu City, I am from the expensive and exclusive university that is the University of the Visayas. I studied Bachelor of Science in Nursing. Sadto si wa ko gidawa. Of course, representing Judge. Pamati ko ano ka mo. Nasa magalitrang ninyo gingkuan ng panang kabitihan man ngayon. Wabay ko na apel sa production number, kaya wak practice. Among napagyan kami sa music. Alberta! I am Enting May Disability, fresh and virgin. Kaya kung may aray manguyab kang papa, palista, tanawa, huwag maabot kay siya'y mabuna. Representing JLC Graphics Print Ads and JLC Gold. Barato na o tamong pa?